In this video, I'm going to show you how to add video to Squarespace. First of all, open your website in Squarespace. Once you're here, click on the Edit option on your website. After that, scroll down. First, you need to add a section where you want to add your video. Go to the place on your site where you want the video, then click on Add Section. Scroll down and click on Videos. You'll now see different section layouts for adding videos. Click on any one of them, and the selected video section will be added to your site. To add custom videos to these places, click on the video element and then click on the pencil icon. After that, click on Add a Video. You can delete the default video if you wish. Now you have different options for uploading a video. If you want to embed a video from YouTube or any other platform, click on Add from Link. Enter the URL, and then click on Add. The video will now appear in your section. If you scroll down, you'll see additional options. If you enable the Custom Featured Image option, you can upload a thumbnail for your video. Similarly, you can click on any other video element that's available in the section. Again, click the pencil icon, delete the existing video, and then click Add a Video. Now, for example, if you want to upload a video from your device, click on Upload File, browse for the video on your system, and wait for it to upload. Once it's done, your video will appear in the selected section. And this is how you can add videos to Squarespace.